Today, we will be adding a heart to our Keith Haring inspired painting. You may wish to practice drawing hearts on a scrap piece of paper before you draw the heart in your painting. Once you are confident that you know how to draw a heart, we're going to use the black ink and draw a heart in the center. It should be about the size of your hand. You do not want it to be too big or too small. It should be about medium sized. You want to leave a little bit of space around the heart so we can add lines that show movement. You might need to trace over it 2 or 3 times to get it to show up. I am now going to add either curvy, straight, or zigzag lines around the heart. These should change direction as you travel around the heart. The ones on the sides should be going to the side. The corners should be going diagonally towards the corners. The tops and the bottoms should be going vertically. Make sure it looks like the heart is beating. Now, you can use curvy, straight, or zigzag lines. I have chosen to use zigzag lines. Again, with the ink, you might need to press down a little bit harder on top of the paint and make sure you go over it 2 or 3 times if it's coming out a little fuzzy. That looks good. Take your time. It's okay if it's not perfect, but work carefully because once the ink goes on your paper, you cannot erase it. It is permanent. Be extra careful you do not get it on your clothes. Take your time and make your lines moving all around your heart. Notice how the lines change direction as I travel around the heart. That looks great. I'm going to check to make sure I didn't miss anything. Trace over some of those lines if they still look a little fuzzy. And your Keith Haring inspired painting is now complete. Put your picture on the drying rack so the ink can dry. Wash your hands, clean up all your materials, and you are finished for today.